guys. Warming up my motorcycle right now. Okay, now that we got it, we're having it all warmed up now. We're gonna ride down to Sedan and go fix up the FXR. Fix the clutch on it. And I got a new, fix my helmet different on my, I fixed my GoPro on my helmet different. So hope it works a little bit better. There we go. Hope you guys can hear me. I'm gonna talk a little more quiet because I noticed in my first vlog, well, moto vlog, I kind of yelled a little bit because I didn't think you guys could hear me, and I went back and noticed that y'all could hear me just fine. So I'm gonna talk a little more quiet. So we got a couple things to talk about today. Got the Bring It Home ride in Oklahoma. I don't remember where my dad said it was, but it was, I don't remember where he said it was. But we're gonna go there October 5th. The wind's blowing hard again. This sucks. It was nice earlier, like there was like no wind at all today, and then it just decided to hit right as we go ride. It makes no sense at all. I've never rode on the inside like this, the closest to the other lane. This is kind of it's kind of scary, honestly. I need to practice it a little bit. It's kind of sketchy. So the second thing we have is I got my motorcycle license. I went and got it last week. No, this week. Oh no, this week sometime. I don't know, Monday. I went and got it Monday of this week, and I passed and got it. Now I got the motorcycle license, which is pretty sweet. Now the wind is not as bad as it was last time we went and rode in my last video. Pretty sure my battery box thing came off. I think I heard a ting ting on the ground, but I'm not for sure. Hope not. It might have though. If it did, we're gonna have to put some on there. There we go, now that we're in town. So you guys know I have 16-inch ape hangers on my motorcycle, but I'm thinking about going down to 14 inches. I like the ape hanger look, and they're really comfortable, but I'm thinking about just going down to 14s just so they'd maybe fit me better. Because I'm only 15, so I gotta have them fit me just right so I can ride perfect, you know? So I think we're gonna go down to some 14s and get them instead of these 16s. But we're always gonna keep the 16s around in case when I get older I want to put them back on.
5-finger death punch came on, man. I'm just like banging my head, rocking out.
Why didn't you stop and get your battery box cover?
I didn't know it fell off. I couldn't tell. I couldn't tell it fell off.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it fucking fling king about took my goddamn head off. Yeah, I wish I'd have had a camera on my shit when that happened.
Okay guys, we're gonna go take the FXR for a ride real quick.
I'm stealing it. Hey, he's gonna follow you on your Sportster.
Okay. He's gonna follow me on the Sportster.
Behind him, we're starting Vegas and put him in his own motorcycle. Yeah.
Where'd my gloves go? Oh, okay.
See ya. Later, bud.
Okay guys, we're riding FXR. Oh damn, I'm speechless. That is so much more easy to turn. Now we're gonna go follow Devin on it. So where are we going? Okay, let me get on this Sporty. I mean, that's unbelievable how much easier that was for me to turn with those T-bars. Not gonna gonna lie, I'm kind of digging them. I'm really digging those T-bars. Ooh, that corner was good. I hit that thing just right. Heck yeah. Guys, I love motorcycles, you know? There's just something about motorcycles that bring you closer to the world and even people, you know what I mean? Guys, I don't know what it is about that FXR, but I'm so more confident when I turn this Sportster now, even just riding it around the block. Like, seriously, that's crazy. Vans.
Our khaki dickies are fucking vans. And
Well, my battery box came off, so we had to put some zip ties on it. It'll hold.
Oh yeah.
It'll hold. Because it fling-tinged. Oh yeah, it'll buff. Yeah.
Thank you.